Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G32 and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and look for the hotspot toggle. Now if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page, which that's where my toggle is located. Once you see it, first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now the reason I recommend navigating in here, or actually you would probably have to navigate here, is because under hotspot password you have your randomly generated password. Now this is only generated at the beginning when you set up your device and stays like this, but what I recommend doing instead of trying to memorize this one is just simply removing it and setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, simply click on OK, and that's the only thing that I would recommend changing. Other options in here might make the hotspot function a little bit better, but then they will also make it so not every device can connect to it. So as you can see, we do have the extend compatibility, turn on the use of 2.4 gigahertz to help other devices. So this will actually, interesting enough, this is enabled by default because these are default settings. So this on this device actually this works pretty well. So you can use either 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or 5 depending on what the device that you will be connecting to this hotspot supports. So it will give you the best option possible for that device. I recommend keeping this on. It will consume a little bit more of your battery, but in general it's going to give you more versatility. If you turn it off, I believe it's going to only use the 5 gigahertz hotspot, which when off, older devices will not be able to connect to this, which obviously for some people this will not work. So I recommend keeping this on in general. Now, last thing, we have timeout settings. I recommend changing that to maybe something a little bit longer than 10 minutes, maybe like half an hour. And what happens is after the right now selected 30 minutes, if the device detects for that 30 minutes that there's no device utilizing a hotspot, it will automatically turn it off. It's a nice option to have enabled because when you forget about the hotspot, it will just run in the background, typically if this is off. So hotspot does consume more of your battery, so there is no real actual point of running it permanently. So this will automatically turn it off, but the 10 minutes is a little bit short. Now, once you've gone through all the settings, you can just close this, and as long as you remember your password, you don't ever have to come back to the settings. So whenever you want to actually enable your hotspot, find the toggle and this time around tap on it. And that's all. And once you're done, either wait the timeout timer so it turns off automatically the hotspot, or you can tap on the hotspot itself again to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.